hard time sleeping?
Who said that?
Congratulations! You have won a free white noise machine.
Or they never were.
No, this one's different. Just turn it on and I promise you won't regret it.
Good evening. Welcome to a white woman's paradise. Free of any sunburns, of course. Lay back and relax for tonight's special classic hits from classic white people. Dancing Queen is such a good song. I can't wait to turn 17 so all my friends can call me that. This ketchup is too spicy. Should I have a gender reveal party for my baby? Do you like the stickers on my Hydro Flask? Should we eat at Panera or Chipotle? Not to brag or anything, but I know all the words to Sweet Caroline and Hey There Delilah. Jimmy Fallon is so hot. Kombucha and LaCroix have really been hitting me different lately. Ed Sheeran's music speaks volumes to me. Should I wear Crocs or Birks today? Nah, it's too cold. I'll wear my Uggs instead. I've seen Titanic over 37 times. Yeah, I know I went a little crazy on the seasoning for tonight's dinner. Salt and pepper. You know what sport has been so interesting to watch lately? Lacrosse.
This is really helping. But I still can't fall asleep. Maybe I should turn it up louder. Is this the right knob?
Hey, fool! You trying to get on tired?